Hi everyone, today I'm going to introduce you to our newest accessory. It's the quad plate for the Hinge system. So for some time now we've had our quad MFT hinge system on the market, and as you know from the hinge system here, it connects into the table like so, which is great for people that don't have a table or the MFT free station. So now what we've done is, now we have got our own table, we have now made plates that go on the side of the extrusion that works with our hinge system. So you can see here we've got these two plates here. Now if you already own our hinge system, these are a great accessory just to add to it, which means you can then just add it to the table or your MFT3 station, giving you a wider cut. And now these work, I'm going to show you how that happens. So when you buy the plates, these just fit into the extrusion by loosening off the T-nuts. And when turning these should turn into the extrusion like so and lock it down. Now, one thing you've got to do is you have to make sure that this is perfectly aligned with the other side of where your hinge working. And this is where we've come up with these little blocks here. These are 3D printed blocks which allow us to put this into the workstation like so. Slide it up, line it up there. And this one here is the opposite side here and works exactly the same way by plonking that in there. Easy to align them up. Now, as you can probably see here, we've got two different holes here. So working it this way, this allows you to work with our workstation. And if you turn this, once you take this out and turn it 180 degrees, this will allow you to work with the MFT3, the Festool MFT3 workstation. So easy to cross between each system if you have both or one or the other. Here is our plate inside our workstation. So you can see here I've got our hinge up. So I'm going to just move this up out of the way. Got it all perfectly aligned like so that we did, I just showed you there, all in line. And as you can see, I've got this on our outrigger, which is attached to another outrigger, which is then attached to the workstation. And that will give you then a wider cut, knowing that there's no plates here on the tables on either side. Now, when you're working with the outriggers, this will give you a maximum cut of around 140 centimeters. And if you're working with just one outrigger, you'll be then down to 104 centimeters. And then with the workstation, around about 680 mil. And as you can see, once it's all in place, all works exactly the same as the hinge system was before. So there you have it. There's our new addition to our quad hinge system, which is available on our website at benchdogs.co.uk. Thanks for watching.